Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon po, tayo po'y magluluto ng sinigang na salmon. Ito po yung ating mga ingredients. A few pieces of salmon, or it's optional kung anong gusto nyong fish. We need 2 medium size of tomatoes cut into chunks. Kamyas or dried kamyas cut into strips. A few pieces of okra. 1 small size of ginger cut into strips. 1 medium size of onion cut into strips. Then strips of lemongrass. And 1 medium size of lemon cut into half. Lastly, 2 pieces of green chili pepper. Ngayon po, bubudburan natin ang asin ng ating isda. 1 to 2 teaspoon of salt. Yan pong pagluluto natin ng sinigang na ito was inspired by the Saladmaster cookware. Kaya makikita nyo na it's not usual ang pagluluto natin ng sinigang. Ngayon, ilalagay po lahat natin ang ating mga ingredients. Okay, to add flavor sa ating sinigang, let's put the lemon juice upang ito ay lalong maasim. Now, let's cover it and then set the induction cooker into 20 degrees Celsius. As you can see, kumukulo po siya sa sarili niyang sabaw. So, it's up to you kung dadagdagan niyo siya ng tubig. Now, let's put a teaspoon of ground pepper. Ngayon, atin pong hihinaan yung init ng ating cooker into 8 degrees Celsius. Now, let's cover it for 5 minutes more hanggang ito ay maluto na. I add 1/4 cup of water as you can see para mas masabaw siya. And then let it simmer for 1 minute. Ngayon po, ready na po yung ating sinigang na salmon. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating sinigang na salmon. Thank you for watching. God bless.